Hey guys, everybody, guys and gals. Okay, so one of the questions that I saw in the Facebook group is about when a company tells you, hey, you need to copy this code and put it just before the header ends or in the header, or they say just before the body ends or in the body. Okay, where do you go? Where do you put that code? So, what you do is you go to settings, design settings, custom CSS head. Okay, and BD did a great job here in actually representing what these huge blocks are for. So additional head code added here will be inserted into the head section of your website. So if they say just before the head ends or the header ends or inside the head, all that means is put the code here. That's all it means. Just put it here. Paste that code here and you're done. If they say put the code in the body, somewhere in the body or before the body ends. Actually, you can read the note here. Additional footer code, enter code below that will render before the close of the body tag. Just put it here. That's all. You paste that copy there, you save it, but do note something. A lot of times when you save stuff here, you have to clear the cache. And I'm not talking about the cache of the browser, I'm talking about the cache of the server of your site. So once you save it here, always click on refresh live website and then you can go about and test if it's actually working or not. Like if you go to Google Analytics, you go to a marketing platform, you go to an email platform, whatever. Okay, save it, and you refresh live website, and they can go ahead. So again, for anything head related, goes here. For anything in the body or at the end of the body, goes here. Okay. Hope this video helps. Big hugs to everybody, and think positive as always.